Lilyqueen. Upside down si Lilyqueen. What are you doing? Hey. Lulu. Don't disturb Lilyqueen. See, look at her. Ay, oh my goodness, Lilyqueen. What are you doing? What style is that? You're not enough already on your duyan. Oh, get up lah, baby girl. Get up. See? Very big already. Get up. See, doesn't even want to get up lah. Oh my gosh. You don't want to get up. What happened? What's happening to you? What's happening? Oi. What's happening to you, baby girl? Are you Lilyqueen? Lilyqueen. Bling bling. Oh, what? Why your position is upside down? You drop from the duyan already. You see Nana? Nana. See Nana there. The Lulu down there. Oh, okay. Okay, go on. Go on with your, you want me to take video on you? Alright, okay. You see, you're like, those, paniki. I look at, the duyan. Oh my gosh. Where's the Lilyqueen? What are you doing, baby girl? Oi. Lulu. See the ang mo. Don't know what to move. Yeah, you see, Lulu up there ready, and there's Nana. I have to change already. Have to buy a new cage, big one. What are you doing? You're so comfortable with that position, Lilyqueen. Yeah, you see? The two, Lulu, and the white one is Nana. All big size lah. All big size. Okay, go and sleep. Yeah. Oh my God, upside down. On the duyan, half body. Are you getting tired? Oh, so sleepy. Oh, you're so sleepy, my baby girl. The eyes is gonna close. Oh, you want to relax. Look at the position. Half body is on the duyan. They have a duyan. The duyan also can, it was broken. Then who is that, Rocky?